Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're making something very delicious, very similar to the Taco Bell Supreme Crunch Wrap, but mine tastes so much better. That's the Taco Bell one, and the one before was mine. So let's go ahead and start by making our what's it called again, our creamy jalapeno sauce. So mine gotta be a little bit different, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and grill my jalapeno peppers. You don't have to grill them if you don't like the little smoky taste, but I like the little smoky taste, although it's not that smoky because it's an oven, a stove grill. If you have a grill, outdoor grill, that's even more, that's perfect. Okay, so go ahead and grill them a little bit. So now let's go ahead and start this fun stuff. So in your blender, add 1/4 cup of sour cream. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below. Be sure to check it out and their measurements. A cup of mayonnaise. Now I'm adding my jalapeno. I removed some of the seeds and I left a little bit of seeds just for a little bit of heat, a little heat. And some cilantro, a bunch of cilantro. A tablespoon of honey mustard. A tablespoon of lime juice, and a tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna season this with just some black pepper, some paprika, and some creole seasoning, and of course some garlic powder with 1/4 teaspoon of each. Oh, I'm sorry, the garlic powder is 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and chiles chipotle. I'm adding I added 4 chipotle chiles in mine, but you can add 4 to yours. 3, I'm sorry. Ugh, I'm fucking crazy. Anyways, add about 3 to 4 chiles chipotle. All up to you. The recipe will just be as great. Okay, so go ahead and blend that stuff. You see that it's gonna be so creamy, so delicious. Ooh, blend it for like 30 seconds to a minute. You guys, look at it. So beautiful. You see, it's so creamy. It's gonna thicken up in a minute. Okay, once you pour it to whatever container you're gonna pour it in, it's after you let it sit for a minute, it's gonna thicken up a little bit. So that's it right there. So now let's go ahead and prepare our meat. So go ahead and store it in a jar. Jars are better to store food. As you know, bacteria grows in plastic. The more you know. So in your this is my, okay, so now I'm frying my corn tortillas in the back. Okay, so I'm using corn tortilla. That's what's gonna be that's the crunchy stuff that's gonna be inside of the wrap. Okay, that's why it's called the Supreme Crunchy Wrap. That's the crunchy stuff. So that's the taco, the corn tortilla that I'm frying. So okay, in your hot pan, go ahead and add a tablespoon of olive oil, and then go ahead and add your ground beef. So go ahead and stir it up a bit so it doesn't start clumping up. And now we're gonna go ahead and season it up with some garlic powder, some creole seasoning, and some chicken bouillon powder. If you have the cube, that's also fine. Just as perfect. Continuously stirs this. Okay, so go ahead and season this with some black pepper and add 2 teaspoons of lime juice or lemon juice, whatever it is that you have on hand. Add 2 teaspoons of lime juice. I know I already said that, but whatever. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the chopped onion, peppers, and we're gonna let the onion and peppers cook for 3 to 5 minutes. So once they're cooked, go ahead and remove them from the heat and set it aside, and then we're gonna go ahead and build our wrap. So I kind of built my wrap a little bit different than Taco Bell built theirs, but it doesn't even matter because mine tasted much better. So as you can see, I added my meat, and then I added some vegetables on top of the meat, and then I added sprinkled some cheese on top, and then I go ahead added the creamy jalapeno sauce, and then I added the crunchy taco shell, and then I wrapped it up, which was okay, but it wasn't the best. But I also did it a different way that I thought was also good. You decide which one was better, but at the end of the day, it tasted better. It tasted delicious, you know. It was so good. It was so good. So I don't know, you guys, that way I had to, the taco shell was actually kind of too big, so the one way that I wrapped it up, another way that I wrapped it up was even better, because I broke the taco shell because it was too big. Oh, and some lettuce. It was too big. It made it a little bit hard to wrap. So follow this direction. It's actually really hard to hold it together and bring it to the pan. So when you do that, and you just bring it straight to the pan quickly as you can, because it will fall apart and break. So this is the second way. I spread the jalapeno sauce, creamy jalapeno sauce, on the wrap. I added the ground beef. Then the cheese. It's kind of a lot of meat, huh? And then the peppers and cilantro. And tomatoes. And lettuce. Oh, I love the cilantro on it. Oh my god, the cilantro was just so refreshing and tasty. And then after I added the lettuce, I added more creamy jalapeno sauce. It was just bomb, you guys. It was so good. Oh, I dream of this wrap. I don't know what I'm doing there, but anyways. And then I added more cheese again because cheese is life. And now I added my taco shell, and then I added a piece of my, oh, I added more cheese. Okay, so now wrap, and then go ahead and bring it to your pan and leave it on the pan. The pan should be, your heat should be on medium high, well, on low heat. You're just gonna grill it for a few minutes until it get a little crunchy, and then boom, bring it to the heat real quick, guys, before it falls apart. Okay, this is the third one, which I think was a lot better and a lot easier. So I did almost the same thing. So here, what I did, I broke the taco shell into half, and then I added half of it, a little bit more than half actually, and then I wrapped it up instead like that because it's less than, you know, it's a little bit more easier to wrap it up with half of it than the whole thing. See, so much easier. And go ahead and bring it to your pan. This is it right here, and leave it on the pan for a minute on each side until it starts getting crunchy. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so if you want to, if you like my channel, and let it get crunchy and then switch it to side. My heat is on medium low. This is it, you guys. It's easy, super easy. I know it looks difficult, but it's super easy and it's super delicious. And if you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have a lot more to come, you guys. Okay, be ready. This is the final product, y'all. As always, thank you for watching. Have a good day or a good night. I'm recording this at night, so have a good night.